As usual, the government of Manipur has observed the Patriots' Day today at Hicham Yaicham Pat High School, Moirangkhom. Manipur Chief Minister N.Biren Singh, other ministers, MLAs, high-ranking officials of Government of Manipur, DGP Manipur and Security Advisor Kuldip Singh attended the occasion. Floral tributes were offered to the Samadhi of Bir Tikendrajit. Floral tributes were also offered to the Thangal Temple Palace compound.
Agasina Lapogolina Atoba, Tovising the Quina, Laishu Katpagolina, Moy Nixing Torum, Pankopogolina, I coin a Puari, Simuning Sangaga, Nasigi Amadi Tungi Lakadaba, Mirol, Amadi, who's it Tangariba? I coigi Lantang, Mashida, Quick Karama Maonga, Kari Tauraga, Mikhapon the Ba. Aduga Apunda Manipuri Satam Zibu Hazana Tamaga, Equi Amatoina. My horon the Lemina Racial announcing Lemina Hanba Hibernaching Bapon Maps, I'm Tredbar. I create Nainaraga. The emotion, the Bezwarga Sataba, Equi Punamak, Naki Wakal, Pudaki Wakal, the Satabida, Puna Pazana Kandaminaraga. Platform the Puna Waktomina Batuna, Equi Manipuri Apaba. Nasigi Emily Tungi Mino with the Papuane, other minor Kaled and Mayapuna, unity first, irrespective of affiliation, political affiliation, or any civil society, Oigera, Punama, individual sing Hadok Naraga, Mayam Amato in a Pulakanda, Garino, Tadin Agasta, Tokipa to go to the Karikari Paratambe.